Home hustles. 7 jobs bringing in $30 an hour. Welcome back to High Access, where we explore opportunities that not only let you hustle from the comfort of your own home, but also fill your pockets with some serious cash. In today's video, we're diving into the world of home hustles. Those lucrative gigs that can bring in a solid $30 per hour. Because, let's face it, who doesn't want to turn their living room into a money-making haven? Now more than ever, the possibilities of building a career from the confines of your own home are endless. Whether you're a side hustler looking to supplement your income or someone on the quest for a full-blown remote career, we've got you covered. Buckle up as we unveil 7 game-changing opportunities that not only let you escape the traditional office grind, but also have the potential to skyrocket your earnings. So, if you're ready to explore the realms of high-paying, home-based hustles, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's dive into the world of home hustles on the High Access. Rev.com Transcriptionist. Alright, buckle up, because our first stop on the highway of home hustles is the virtual realm of transcription. Picture this: you, your laptop, and the sweet sound of making money from the comfort of your own home. Our first gig, brought to you by Rev.com, is all about transcribing audio or video content, turning it into golden subtitles or transcriptions. Now, the beauty here lies in the flexibility. No rigid 9-to-5 schedule. Work when you want, where you want. Take 2. Work when you want, where you want. But here's the plot twist. Earnings aren't a one-size-fits-all. It varies from $30 to $110 per minute of your expertly transcribed material. Sounds like a dream, right? Before you dive headfirst into the keyboard symphony, let's talk real numbers. Reddit's whispers suggest an average hourly wage dancing between $8 and $10. Easy, right? Just basic typing skills required, making it a low-entry gig for anyone with nimble fingers and a keen ear. But, and there's always a but, the earning potential has its limits compared to our other hustles in the lineup. It's like having a golden ticket, but not the one to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Still, for a laid-back side gig, transcription at Rev.com could be your ticket to earning from the cozy corner of your home sweet home. Stay tuned as we unravel more treasures on the High Access. Preply Language Tutor. Alright, language aficionados, our next stop on the Home Hustles Express is the captivating world of language tutoring, brought to you by the one and only Preply. Imagine getting paid to share your language prowess with listeners, with eager learners. It's not just a job, it's a linguistic adventure. First things first, the prerequisites. Grab your webcam, make sure that microphone is primed for action, and ensure your internet connection is smoother than a conversation in a Parisian cafe. Now, onto the moolah. English tutors, for instance, can rake in anywhere from $5 to $25 per hour. Not too shabby for transforming your language skills into cold hard cash. What sells this career better is that there is no need for a certification or a fancy college degree. Your ability to communicate effectively in the language of choice is your golden ticket. And guess what? It's not just English in demand. If Spanish or French tickles your fancy, opportunities abound. Comparing this to our previous gig, it's like leveling up. Higher earning potential, a chance to embrace your inner polyglot, and no need to type at lightning speed. So if you're ready to turn your language finesse into a thriving side hustle, Preply might just be your gateway to linguistic and financial glory. ClickWorker's AI data tasks. Now, let's zoom into the micro universe of ClickWorker, where small tasks meet big potential. If you're into quick wins and helping AI evolve, this one's for you. Picture this: completing small, snappy tasks that aid in training artificial intelligence models. It's not rocket science, but it's essential for the tech of tomorrow. On ClickWorker, you're the wizard behind the AI curtain, writing text, snapping pics, and answering questions, all in a day's micro work. The cash flow? Reported earnings vary, ranging from $6 to a mystery figure per hour. Here's the catch: these quick gigs might not shower you in gold coins, but for those seeking a bit of extra ka-ching during downtime, it's a solid option. No need to envision a grand income here, but if you're looking to turn those spare moments into dollars and contribute to the AI revolution, ClickWork is your Backstage Pass. So, get ready to embark on a micro profits journey with ClickWorker, where small tasks add up to something bigger. Our next pit stop on the home hustles journey takes us to usertesting.com, where your opinions become a currency. Brace yourself for the world of user testing, an avenue where your feedback isn't just heard but pays the bills. Testing websites, applications, or software and getting paid for your 2 cents. It's not just a dream, it's usertesting.com's reality. The best part? Tests usually clock in at a manageable 5 to 20 minutes, meaning you can turn your coffee break into a payday. Now let's talk numbers. The average reward per test, a cool $10. That's not bad for sharing your thoughts on the latest digital creations. Plus, compared to the traditional online survey scene, this one tends to be a bit more generous. And here's a pro tip: for those willing to dive into lengthier tests, there's potential to earn even more. So if you're ready to transform your digital expertise into a financial boon, usertesting.com is your gateway. Upwork, Fiverr, and your gateway to endless possibilities. In this segment of High Access, we're unpacking the world of online job boards. Think Upwork, Fiverr, and a buffet of opportunities waiting for you. Dive into a diverse array of tasks from social media management to customer service. The best part: the platforms cater to various skills, making it a one-stop shop for freelancers. Requirements vary based on the job, so whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, or social media guru, there's a spot for you in this digital marketplace. On average, freelancers are pulling in around $30 per hour. That's not just pocket change, it's a paycheck that reflects your expertise. Plus, the beauty of freelancing isn't just in the dollars, it's in the potential for skill development and building long-term client relationships. So, if you're ready to unleash your talents into the freelance arena, Upwork and Fiverr are your digital canvases. Pen mightier than sword. This task is to weave engaging content for blogs, social media, and beyond. And the pay is quite good too. Clients tend to charge at least $20 per 1,000 words. Your words, your value. It's a straightforward equation. With each stroke of your literary prowess, your earning potential grows. Experience and positive reviews can turn that $20 into a handsome payday. And here's a pro tip: leverage AI tools for efficiency. It's not about replacing your creativity. No. It's about working smarter, not harder. What's even more exciting? Content writing is a journey of skill development, offering opportunities for niche specialization. Whether you're into tech, lifestyle, or the mystical world of cat psychology, there's a niche waiting for your expertise. So, if you're ready to transform your keyboard strokes into financial strokes of genius, Join us on High Access as we dig deeper into the treasure trove of content creation. Piloting a YouTube channel. Our final gem in the home hustler's crown. Becoming the captain of your own YouTube ship. Faceless content creation turns your channel into a brand, your own digital kingdom. But here's the real kicker. The earnings? They're as varied as the colors on your YouTube palette, with the potential for passive income over time. Now, let's talk strategy. This isn't just a gig, it's a long-term investment. Consistency, dedication, and a pinch of patience are your allies. You're not just creating videos, you're building a community. And where there's a community, there's a potential for high returns. But wait, there's more. Diversify your kingdom's income sources. Don't rely solely on YouTube ads. Explore the realms of affiliate marketing. And heck, why not dabble in digital products? It's not just about views, it's about cultivating a financial ecosystem around your channel. So, if you're ready to transform from a viewer to a creator, buckle up for the YouTube adventure on High Access. Stay tuned as we unfold more secrets for turning pixels into prosperity. Things to consider. First up, think like a maestro and diversify those income streams. Combining various online jobs or hustles can turn your income into a melody of success. It's not just about putting all your eggs in one digital basket. It's about creating a financial composition that resonates. Now let's talk about your toolkit. Some gigs might demand specific skills, while others are the playground for skill development. You see, each hustle has a chance to sharpen your tools, creating a versatile skill set that opens doors to more opportunities. And here's the grand crescendo: passive income potential. Operating a YouTube channel isn't just a gig, it's an investment in your financial future. Picture this as planting seeds. With consistent effort and time up front, you cultivate a garden of passive income over time. Now, let's talk monetization strategies. It's not just about counting views or clicks. It's about understanding the diverse avenues to make those online activities rain dollars. Whether it's ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products, each strategy adds a unique note to your financial score. Now, let's shift gears and talk scaling opportunities. This is where the magic happens, especially in realms like content creation and freelancing. It's not just about making a quick buck, it's about exploring ways to scale those earnings over time. Picture your income not as a static painting, but as a dynamic masterpiece that evolves with your effort and dedication. Individual results may vary. Success isn't a one-size-fits-all formula. It's a concoction of effort, skills, and strategic decision-making. It's like crafting your own financial recipe. Choose opportunities that resonate with your strengths and align with your goals. So, as you embark on your digital cash flow journey, remember this mantra: diversify, hone those skills, explore monetization avenues, and scale those earnings over time. And there you have it, fellow hustlers and financial enthusiasts. We've navigated through the realms of home hustles, uncovering opportunities to turn your digital presence into a cash-generating powerhouse. Before we part ways, let's recap the key melodies we've composed on this journey. Diversify your income streams, don the hat of skill development, and explore the avenues of passive income. Think of your financial journey as a symphony where each hustle plays a unique note, creating a harmonious composition. Remember, the art of monetization is your key to transforming your efforts into tangible rewards. Ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products are your brushes to paint your financial masterpiece. And don't forget the magic word: scaling. In the world of content creation and freelancing, scaling is the secret sauce that turns a solo act into a grand production. As we wrap up this chapter on high access, always keep in mind that individual success stories are as diverse as the opportunities we've explored. Your journey requires a blend of effort, skills, and strategic decision making. So keep hustling, keep exploring, and keep turning those digital pixels into financial prosperity. Until next time on High Access, where we continue unraveling the secrets of a thriving financial journey. Stay prosperous, stay curious, and stay tuned.